Hey class, welcome to the Integer Islands. Join me as we navigate through unique regions where each stop will teach you a vital math skill through exciting puzzles and challenges. By the end of our journey, you'll confidently tackle any math problem with positive and negative numbers. These skills will not only prepare you for more advanced maths, but also help you see the world in a new, fascinating way. But beware. Skipping lessons or not fully understanding a concept means the island's mysteries remain unsolved, making future math lessons more daunting. The first island is comparing and ordering integers. In this video, I will detail two important keys that unlock this skill. Let's conquer the islands together. Starting with the first key. Can you believe that subtracting a larger number from a smaller one can actually create new types of numbers? Let's find out how. In this segment, you will discover these new numbers called negative numbers. In fact, you may have already experienced these in your everyday life. For example, temperature. Here we can see the temperature is 25 degrees. What's the coldest place you have visited, and what was its temperature? Well, there are many places where the temperature can go below zero. For example, Canada can have temperatures at -5 degrees. Where else have you seen negative numbers in real life? Here are 4 examples. Banks and finance, where you can deposit or withdraw your money. Tides can rise or fall. Businesses can make profits or losses. Sports. In fact, one of my favorite sports requires you to have the lowest score to win. Integers are the positive and negative whole numbers and zero. Now, the best way to visualize integers is to use a number line. Let's set it up vertically. To help understand this, you can think of a number line as a fancy high-rise hotel, with zero being the lobby, positive numbers being the floors as you ascend higher, and negative numbers are the floors below the ground, which in this case is an underground car park. The better we are at visualizing the number line, the easier ordering and comparing will be. Now the second key. Let's say you and your friends are playing a board game, where your scores are Alex has -3 points, Jamie has 4 points, and Sam has -5 points. Who's in second place? And can you write the scores in ascending order? The first thing we need to learn is what every word and symbol means in your examples. Ascending means going from smallest to largest. Think of a rocket ascending to space. Whilst descending means going from largest to smallest. Think of a ski lift descending down a mountain. Next, these two symbols. We use this symbol to say when a number is greater than another, and we use this symbol to say when a number is less than another. An easy way to remember which symbol is which, this symbol looks like it pushed over L, which stands for less. Now that we know the language and symbols, let's learn exactly how to compare and order integers with a game. This is called integer submarines. The goal of the game is to save as many submarines as possible. We do this by always knowing the location of the enemy sub. Once we get the question, you need to place either the greater than or less than symbol to make the statement true. If answered correctly, this reveals where the enemy ship is. When you're given the question, the first number is where you're located. The other number is where the enemy submarine is. We then place the correct symbol to reveal the enemy sub. Let's jump into it. In example A, we use the number line to help us out. 7 is greater than 3. We have located the sub. In example B, all negative numbers are below 0. So -2 is less than 4. Awesome, we have located the sub. In example C, since both are negative, the number closer to 0 will be larger. In this case, -6 is less than -1. We have located the sum. Now we have one more question left. However, our electronics have malfunctioned. We now can't see the number line. We need to continue and answer the question. This is a great goal to try and achieve, being able to answer these questions without visually seeing a number line. In example D, -2 is closer to 0 compared to -5. So -2 is greater than -5. Awesome. You now know all the key information on this concept. However, can you solve all exam style questions? Watch this next video to master questions easily.